Hey guys, welcome to Derand Motorsports. Today I have the Eunorau One-Trike and I'm going to go over it. If you own this unit, this is a great video for you because I'm going to go every feature on this bike. First things first, we're going to turn on the electric bike. You want to make sure your battery is inserted on the battery tray and the power switch is on. After that, you're just going to press this power button here and you're going to hold it down for a second. The screen will light up. On the screen, you have your battery percentage, you have your speed, you have your pedal assist mode, and then you have a couple different things here that tell you about the stats of the bike. To cycle through this stat feature here, there's a button located right here. And James, show the screen. Yep. And you just click it and it will cycle through those. And then you have your pedal assist feature here. If you want more assistance, you go up. 5 is your maximum. And then you can go all the way back down to 0 if you want. 0 is basically no help at all. It's just a bicycle. On top of that too, we have our throttle on the other side here. With that throttle, it will engage the bike. It only works if this is engaged though. This is a safety switch. When it's pushed all the way in, the bike will operate. When it's pushed out, the bike will not operate. And then we're going to show you the brake on this side. This here is a parking brake. So it's engaged right now. To disengage, you squeeze it and you saw that thing pop up there and then you let go. If you want to re-engage it, you squeeze with one hand like this and then you press it like so and then you let go. This will engage the parking brake and the bike won't move on a hill or anything like that. And then it also won't operate too. So if the brake is engaged, you have a brake sensor and that nothing will work on the bike. So make sure your brake's disengaged if you want to use your bike. And then to turn on the lights, it's this button right here. James can show the front light and the rear light. And you have a rear light on this side as well. And then I'm going to show you the seat functions. So the seat here, if you want to adjust the backrest, there's a knob. All you have to do is just turn the knob and loosen it. And then you can drop and raise it as well. And then I'm going to also show you the lever here. This lever, you can remove the seat. And I just want to show you this piece. Because if you find that you're far away or not close enough to the handlebars, you can move this. All you need to do is take an Allen key and loosen this just a little bit so you can move it on the track here. And then you re-tighten it. Now, to remove the battery, James can come on this side and I'm going to show you. The key has to be in the unlock position, which it already is. And then all you have to do is lift up the battery. Oh, sorry. It's unlocked now. You lift up the battery like so. If you notice, there's teeth on this, and then there's where the teeth go. To reinstall it, you bring the battery in like so. You push, and you put it on the teeth. Then you lock it back in place, and the key comes out. So if you notice, there's a red button on this battery as well. The line means it's turned on. The circle means it cuts the electrical that's going to the bike. This is only used if you're going away on a trip. And then if this is off here, like I have it, it will not charge. So if you want to charge the battery and use your bike, it has to be on. So this is your charger that comes with the bike. It says Eunorau, the brand. And then if you check the back of it, it's also UL certified. That's really important that this is UL certified. It prevents battery fires and bad things that happen, basically. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to plug in this like so. This goes in the wall. And then this piece here, let me get this plug out, goes in like so. And then you're charging your bike. When you're charging it, it's going to be red. When it's fully charged, it's going to go green. Okay, guys? All right, so now for the fun part, if you do need to use the folding feature, it's on this side here. Go around, James. You're going to open this lever up, twist it around. Now, it's not just going to unattach. There's a pin here, and you got to push up, and then you can fold it open. Same thing for closing it. You need to pull that pin up. This locks in place like so. On this side for the handlebars, show it over here, James. There's a pin here, just like the one down there. You push up and you open like so, and the handlebars collapse. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have more questions about this bike, the Eunorau One-Trike, please call us at Derand Motorsports. Thank you.